When a business fails, regardless of the industry, it can be devastating. For tech companies, it is painful to see days, weeks, months, and even years of deliberate and intense work end in vain. Sometimes, all those efforts do not simply amount to what the users want, or the producers promise much more than they can offer with the products. You're welcome to Brave Achievers channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 tech products that failed to live up to their expectations in recent times. First, Apple Maps. In September 2012, Apple decided to stop patronizing Google Maps when they rolled out the iOS 6 update with Apple Maps app. The app was a total contrast to what a map should be. It had wobbled images of roads, farms identified as airports, and images of bridges collapsed into seas. Whoever was not informed would think the end had come, but yes, it had come, only for the app itself anyway. Apple CEO Tim Cook in a statement later advised users to use alternative applications while they worked on improving theirs. Second, we have Quibi. Quibi was launched in the thick of the 2020 pandemic with the aim of transforming the way young people consume video content on the go, providing shows of 5 to 10 minute episodes formatted to fit smartphones. It was indeed gaining traction from big names in the Hollywood industry, but ironically not from its expected users. 6 months after its debut, the company was already firing talents, the beginning of what was eventually going to be their product's end. Its founders, Katzenberg and Whitman, later admitted that their pursuit was misguided, although it remains unclear why the app did not gain as much traction as the founders desired. In third place, we have flammable hoverboards. In 2015, hoverboards became a very cool and trendy means of transportation on sidewalks for young people. These balancing scooters were the focal point of viral hit music videos and were also a major gift item in the summer that year. Ironically, what shot it to even greater global fame was what led to the fall of its stocks. A lot of hoverboards were catching fire because of problems with the lithium-ion batteries. This led to the loss of properties and even lives of some of its users. In July 2016, CNET reported that more than 500,000 hoverboards were recalled by the US Consumer Product Safety Commission. Fourth, we have Samsung Galaxy Note 7. In August 2016, Samsung announced the launch of its Galaxy Note 7, a successor to its Note 5 smartphone. The story of this launch today is written like a sequel to that of the flammable hoverboards. According to a report on Time News, on the first week of its launch, there were 92 reported cases of overheating and 26 cases of burns. Once again, the explosions were blamed on the problems with their lithium-ion batteries, and over 2 million units of the device were recalled before its production was discontinued. A lot of people, however, blamed Samsung for not carrying out proper testing on the devices before its launch, as it was obvious that they were only concerned about beating their competitors' September 2016 launch date of the iPhone 7. The fifth product we'll talk about is Theranos. Much has been documented about Elizabeth Holmes and her now defunct biotech organization Theranos, which she founded in 2003 at the age of 19. Elizabeth claimed to have devised a way to carry out blood testing using machines for consumers that spared the pain of the traditional venal blood draws and would test for a battery of potential ailments using just a few drops of blood. Her startup rode on the back of lofty promises, and in 2014, the company was already valued at $10 billion. Things went south for the company and its owner when in 2015, investigative reporter John Carreyrou of the Wall Street Journal questioned the validity of Theranos' technology, exposing over a decade of falsehood on which the company was founded. By the summer of 2016, Holmes' net worth had plunged from $4.5 billion to almost nothing. The company ceased operations in 2018, but Elizabeth Holmes is still facing trials today. It's sad to see products fail, but then failure is not final. I'm glad you stayed till the end of this video. If you found this video helpful and enlightening, then share this with others. Stay tuned on our channel by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on your notification. Click here to check out our video on 5 lifelong behaviors you should know.